To begin switching your account to a business profile, make sure you have an existing Facebook account and page that reflects your business. Basically, you need to use the same email for Facebook and Instagram. So once you've created an Instagram account, head to your profile and click the three-dotted line on the top right of your screen. Scroll down until you find the Switch to Business Profile option. When you do, you'll be introduced to your business tools. The first one would be your business profile, where you need to fill in all the required info. But if your Facebook page already has the necessary info, it will be imported from it instead. When you've filled in all the fields, your business profile will be filled with call to action buttons. This will make it easier for your followers to contact you directly. As you can see, you have your website link, email, and directions button available for your followers. Next is Insight. This feature helps you to detect which content you posted has the highest impressions, reach, engagement, and saved. With it, you can depend on the number of insights to ensure that the next content you post will have the same impact or more. The final tool is Promotion, also known as Instagram Ads, which we will cover in the next module.